Poppin' ship it only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl.
Hey Lock family, this is your girl Lover by Nature. Hopefully the lighting is okay today. I am in the living room. But anyways, hopefully the lighting is better. But I literally just wanted to come on and show you guys basically the products that I use while I'm traveling. The handy dandy water, and this is literally just water. Normally back home I use water and some type of oil, sometimes argan oil. I use the wild hair growth oil. I'll sometimes put it in here, or either I'll just do like the wild hair growth oil over my hair and not even mix it with water. But yeah, normally back home I normally just have a spray bottle with some type of oil in there. Product that my boyfriend got for me. My apologies. This is the Tropical Roots Twist Cream. And I know a lot of people don't be using creams. They don't be using pomades and stuff to retwist their hair. But what I say is that everybody's hair is different. Everybody's lock journey is different. I know products can cause buildup in your hair, but I do take good care of my hair. I wash my hair. I don't go a long time without washing my hair. I do ACV rinses, all that good stuff. So I've yet to experience product buildup. All right, sorry, my video got stopped. My daughter had called me. Well, tried to video chat me. But anyway, so we got this from Sally's too. It's the Carefree Curl Instant Moisturizer. I normally just use this after I wash my hair. I use this just as a moisturizer for my hair. Not literally only use this after I don't wash. Also, I have been using the Herbal Hair and Scalp Conditioner Blue Magic Originals made with green tea leaves, jojoba, aloe, and safflower hair grease. This is the throwback hair grease, literally, y'all. The throwback hair grease that your parents may have used on your hair when you was younger that helped your hair grow. Yes. To slick back my edges, which I rarely do right now. Being that I still feel like I'm still in my earlier stages of my lock journey. I don't really be wanting to slick my edges back. But sometimes I slick them back, like if I'm going out somewhere, or I just feel like my edges look a little too much. Mainly, it normally is when my hair is almost time for me to retwist my hair. That's when I slick my edges back, because I'll be having a lot of new growth and stuff like that. So I use the Murray's Edgewax Premium Gel with Australian beeswax for maximum edge control, no flaking, and a non-sticky feel. And this works great. I use this when I was a loose natural as well. I have found this is the only thing that I've been able to use so far on my edges that actually works and lasts the whole day. I'm biotin pills, which are good for your hair, skin, and nails. And I take 2 of these a day. I was doing the hair, skin, and nail gummies. I completed that whole bottle. It was for like 2.5 months. So now I'm back to just my regular biotin pills. There's 60 in here, so this is for another 2 months. So I just be going back and forth. I think I might try the Hair Infinity pills again, which I did that when I had cut my hair back when I was in college. And I took Hair Infinity pills for 2 months and my hair grew back. So that is pretty much it. So yeah, like I said, I just wanted to come on and show you guys products that I use while I'm on the go. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Well, not necessarily. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I would appreciate it if you guys did rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Remember, you can follow me on Instagram at _loverbynature. Literally how you spell it, Lover by Nature. And also on Instagram at Lisha, which is LISHA _Smith. So yeah, that's me. You can follow me on those 2 sites as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my 5-month lock update, which will literally be in a week and a half. I might not record it then. It may be a little bit afterwards. If you've been watching my previous videos, I don't record on the actual time because I end up doing something and being busy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Until then, peace, love, and hair grease.